The story starts with Washington announcing a 25% tariff India goods. The official explanation to punish Russia by pressuring countries still doing business with Moscow. But according to Friedman, this war wasn't really about Russia or India's trade. It was about sending a signal. The signal was clear: if America is willing to pressure a friend like India, imagine what it can do to its rivals. The tariffs, Friedman says, were never just about economics, they were about demonstrating USA power on the global stage. This move told the world, China, Russia, Europe, and beyond that Washington will act aggressively even against partners. And if allies like India can be squeezed, adversaries hold expect even together treatment. That the bigger picture Friedman highlights. China is the first key audience here by targeting India. America reminds Beijing that New Delhi could be pulled closer to Washington or punished if it resists. It's a form of leverage using India to reshape the balance of power in Asia. But Russia is also in play. India imports large amounts of Russian oil. By hitting India export, Washington hoped to discourage New Delhi from deepening ties with Moscow. So on the surface, this was tariffs on India, but in reality, it was pleasure on Russia too. Friedman compares these two chessboard, each tariff, each policy move. It is just about the pieces in front of you. It's about the entire game. India was a square on the board, but the real opponents are China and Russia. When India kept importing Russia oil, Washington doubled it down. Tariffs jumped from 25% to a total of 55%. That's half the value of every product sent to America. This wasn't a minor pressure, it was an economic shockwave. The industry had the most textile, game and jewelry, handicraft and leather goods. Analysts warned export to the USA could drop by as much as 70% for millions of India workers. These tariffs threatened their livelihood. But again, Friedman reminds us this was not about jobs or trade numbers. It was about using economic tools to achieve strategic power. In other words, tariffs as offense, not tariffs as taxes. India's reaction was a film. The government called the tariffs unfair, unjustified, and unacceptable. New Delhi made clear it would not abandon its independence, especially not under foreign pressure. Prime Minister Modi's government emphasized a key point: India will remain strategically autonomous. It will buy energy where it needs to, and it will not allow Washington or Moscow to dictate its choice. At the same time, India started looking beyond the USA market, officially began boosting trade with Africa, Latin America, and strengthening BRICS tied this showed India's determination to diversify and not really to heavily one partner. For George Friedman, the lesson is simple. These tariffs were not about pushing India. They were about showing the world that America is still the dominant power, able to pressure even its closest partners to send a warning to its rivals. So Trump tariffs are more than numbers on paper. They are geopolitical signals, tools of intimidation, and parts of larger contest over global power. Behind every trade was lies a battle for influence. For the USA, India is both a partner and a test case. And a fragment remind us a tariff can be as powerful as missiles in the new global game. Thank you. This video subscribe and like.